Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to archive completed projects in Asana, your complete 2025 guide. Our first step is to open the project you wish to archive. Why are we doing this? Well, it's because we have to access the project settings, which are only available within the individual project page. Now that we've done that, you want to navigate to the project's drop-down menu. This is typically located at the top right corner of your project page, symbolized by 3 dots. This helps us because it's where we'll find the project's settings and the archive option. Once you've found and clicked on the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Archive Project. Let me explain why this matters. Archiving a project removes it from immediate view, but it doesn't delete the project. This helps maintain a clean workspace without losing your valuable data. Now that the project is archived, you might wonder where it goes. Well, it's stored in the Archived Projects section. To access your archived projects, you simply go to the home page, scroll down to the Recent Projects section, and click on See More. From there, you'll find the Archive Projects link at the bottom of the page. The reason we do this is to ensure that while the project is out of sight, it's not out of reach. You can always retrieve your project if you need to reference it in the future. And that's it. You've just learned how to archive completed projects in Asana, a simple and effective way to keep your workspace tidy while preserving your project data. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, stay organized and keep your work flowing smoothly.